Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the oversaturated coloring for your clips on CapCut. So this will be quick. So what you need to do is just add the clip that you want to edit and then go to adjust, and you can use this setting. So for the brightness and contrast, increase it to 10. Then for the saturation, you just need to increase it to your liking. In this case, I'm going to increase it to 25. And then the exposure, increase it to 10. And the sharpness to around 30. Lastly, click on the highlight and increase it to 10. And you are done, and this will be the result. So I'm going to show you the before and after. So this is before the oversaturated, and this one is after. You can see the color is more bright now. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.